Hi, welcome to our stand at FutureBuild. Metasonixx is designing the office of the future because offices are noisy places. There is noise coming from your mate, which is on the phone all the time, or on Zoom, or on Teams, and there is noise coming from the ventilation. There is noise coming from outside. We have a solution for each of those. Our solutions are innovative because there is nothing at the moment that allows light and air through. So we can kill noise, cancel noise, so not absorb it, not reflect it, but cancel it, while at the same time letting air or light through if you want. And that is unprecedented, because at the moment, we block noise by putting mass, a lot of it, between me and you. We carve out mass, we take it out. And that's why we can control weight, light, and ventilation. So we have 3 products at our stand. One is it's a separator for desks. That also comes in the shape of booths at the stand. And also we have it on the ceiling for the noise of the person above you. We call this sonoblind. In 1 inch of thickness, so 25 millimeters, you get the effect of 8 centimeters of rock wool, but also cancels out the low frequency.
The construction of this is made up of these component size, so it's a bit like Lego bricks. They can all be put together into a size or shape that's required. Using our patented technology, once the labyrinth and sheet is completed, there is complete sound suppression from one side to the other. However, uniquely, it allows the flow of air, allowing ventilation. So imagine if this were installed in an office as a meeting room, a confidential meeting room. There would be perhaps several people in there generating a lot of heat, and if it wasn't for the ventilation, it would become an uncomfortable environment. With Sonoblind, that problem is removed.
The second product we have is Sonoblind Air. This is a product that we see at the interface between indoor and outdoor. Product where you pay maybe a bit of air, but you still get the ventilation that you need. So much that the attenuation in terms of noise is equivalent to double glazing, but lets 10% of air through for the model that we have here. Other models which let more air through are equivalent to an acoustic louvre, which is much thicker and much heavier.
So it's been fantastic to show to so many people how airflow is able to pass through the panel, as we can see here with Elnaz using the fan and me being able to feel the air coming through and hitting my hand. And this is really gathering and garnering interest of lots of people who stopped by the stand today, who can see this as a potential solution to the problems they face with noise attenuation needs, but also wanting ventilation at the same time.
As you can see, you can tune the material for your need simply by changing the geometrical characteristics, that is, number of the bar, the distance of the bar, and the length of the bar, and the side, so that you can target exactly the frequency that you want to cancel. So this is just an example. But of course, in this particular reverberant environment, you have a lot of noise sources, so it could be a little bit tricky to cancel all of them.
And the last product we have is the smallest ever in-pipe attenuator for forced ventilation. We call it Sonoflow. And in this space, it has the effect of an object which is 1 meter long and 40 centimeters thick, and also cancels that low frequency noise that you hear in an hotel that no other technology can cancel. And it works like this. Imagine you have the pump here, that is your pipe, you put this one and then this one. Then you rotate this until you get the silence from the pump, and then it's done. Finished, installation finished. Sonoflow, the smallest noise attenuator in pipe for forced ventilation, to match the requirements of approved document or overheating. Sonoflow.
So I'm going to speak to you with the same voice.
I can't hear a thing. I literally can't hear a thing. I don't think he's talking. I think he's cheating. You see, I think he's cheating. It's that good. Amazing. Very impressed.
We have 2 boxes here. One of them is flat, and the other one is a material box. It's carved inside, and you can see with the light that it has some shapes curved inside. We normally use mass to close sound. And what you can see here is that there is still some sound that goes through. In fact, this box here, which is relatively heavy and thick, blocks maybe 70% of the sound. But we specialize in taking away mass. We carve our materials until the engineering does the trick, not the base material. And we get 99.99% noise reduction. This is equivalent to 8 centimeters of rock wool, which is we have in all the walls around us at the moment. Still there, but is as light as 1/6 of this. So, if you have partitions where weight, light, and efficiency at low frequencies is crucial, then you want sonoblind. We are a spin-out from 2 universities, so our innovation comes from years of research, lots of patents, and now all of this is there to change everyday's life in the place where we spend the most hours every week. Our offices or our home offices, when your kids are shouting all the time from the other room.